If you're serious about gaming and content creation, the Skytech Chronos Gaming PC Desktop is built to impress. You'll find the link to this product in the description below. Designed for high performance, this PC features the Intel Core Ultra 7 265K processor, clocked at 3.9 GHz with turbo boost up to 5.4 GHz, ideal for both multitasking and high-end gaming. Backed by a massive 32 GB of DDR5 6000 MHz ARGB RAM, you'll experience seamless performance and visual flair that lights up your setup. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 16GB GDDR7 graphics card brings jaw-dropping visuals and real-time ray tracing, ensuring stunning performance in today's most demanding games and creative software. Whether you're diving into 4K Ultra settings in games like Call of Duty or Baldur's Gate 3, or rendering large video projects, this GPU can handle it all. Plus, with 2 TB of NVMe M.2 SSD storage, you get lightning-fast boot times and space for your entire library of games, software, and media. Thermal throttling? Not with this rig. The 360mm AIO ARGB liquid cooler ensures your CPU stays cool under pressure, keeping the system running at optimal performance levels without loud fans or heat concerns. This cooling setup allows you to unlock the full potential of your hardware, whether you're gaming, creating, or working. Combined with an 850W gold-rated ATX 3.0 power supply, you're ensured efficient, stable power delivery even during high loads. You'll also get seamless connectivity thanks to integrated Wi-Fi and a generous variety of USB ports, plus a bonus gaming keyboard and mouse in the box. Housed in the sleek Skytech Chronos white case with a mesh front for airflow and style, this PC is a clean, powerful, and visually stunning centerpiece for your gaming setup. If you want top-tier performance, quiet cooling, and the latest components all in one package, the Skytech Chronos is the ultimate solution. You'll find the link to this product in the description below.